That smells wonderful. The rain makes everything feel so cozy.
Mom, what's cooking?
Breakfast! Are you hungry?
Yes, smells
Almost ready, sweeties.
This fish is great!
I'm glad you like it, buddy.
Eat your vegetables too, sweetie.
Yeah, it's yummy. Wow, Daddy, look at the rain.
Yeah,
It's like a waterfall.
it sure is. Glad we're cozy in here.
This is going to be so much fun.
Yeah, let's go explore the woods.
Race you there.
This is wonderful.
It really is.
I love picnics. Me too.
Cheers to family.
This is so much fun.
Yeah, let's race to that big tree.
You're on.
This is so peaceful.
It really is.
I love it here.
Me too. These are cooking up nicely.
They smell wonderful. We're ready.
I want the big one. Me too.
Those smell amazing.
Almost ready.
Can I help? I want one.
Here you go.
All right, first one's ready.
It looks delicious, dear. Wow, this is so good.
Yummy.
Wow, look at all the fireflies.
They're so pretty.
It's magical, isn't it?
The stars are so bright tonight.
Yeah, they're like a blanket over us.
Let's make a wish. Wow, this is amazing. Yeah, let's go explore. Race you to the trees. You're on.
What a perfect spot for a break.
It's so peaceful out here.
I love it.
Let's go explore.